300 women are part of a lawsuit now targeting an OB/GYN and the hospitals that employed him. Our Tara Molina joins us with a closer look at the details these women share about the abuse stemming back decades. Tara.
Erica, back to the early 90s. This 57-page lawsuit details complaint after complaint, many of those women claiming to have reported issues to the hospital systems, and many of the details too vulgar to share with you. We still want to warn you, some of this is disturbing.
77-year-old Fabio Ortega has already served prison time after pleading guilty to sexually abusing two of his patients, behind bars for 3 years. He's a registered sex offender, but I confirmed he's been off parole since October of last year. Now hundreds more women claiming he sexually abused them as an OB/GYN with North Shore Health and Swedish Hospital are coming forward, represented by this lawsuit filed today.
Swedish and North Shore enabled the sexual predator to abuse hundreds of women.
The lawsuit filed against those hospitals now under Endeavor Health and Ortega. Quote, Ortega was a sexual predator who targeted young women who did not have experience with gynecological examinations, Spanish-speaking patients, pregnant women, Medicare patients, and the underserved patient population because he knew that patients from these populations were less likely to understand they were being sexually abused. Some of the sexual abuse detailed in this complaint claims Ortega would visit or call his patients outside of work, wouldn't treat them for conditions presented, was falsifying records, encouraging unnecessary appointments, conducting unnecessary pelvic exams, and asking patients intrusive questions about their sex life.
A North Shore employee reported to her supervisor that Ortega wasn't just making female patients feel uncomfortable, he was also making the nursing staff feel uncomfortable.
The lawsuit detailing complaints filed by women as young as 14 over the course of decades, alleging those complaints were ignored by the hospital systems, allowing sexual abuse to continue. A spokesperson for Endeavor Health told me they can't respond to my direct questions due to pending legal matters and patient privacy, but said in a statement, quote, "We have focused on reviewing individual claims and are committed to engaging in a process that allows for meaningful review and response to each person impacted." But a key point made in this complaint, not addressed by the hospital system, claims Ortega was allowed to continue to practice medicine unsupervised while the criminal investigation that landed him in jail continued. And during that time, he's accused of sexually abusing more patients represented by this suit.
Ortega's medical license was revoked. He can no longer practice medicine. My other questions for the state are still pending. But you can read the full statement from Endeavor Health in the story that's up on our website right now. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Tara Molina, CBS 2 News. Erica?
Tara, thank you.